Epic Games has acquired Quixel and has slashed the MEGASCAN prices in half for everyone, plus free for everyone who uses it with Unreal Engine. So let's dive in and see what has happened and what it means for us. Welcome everyone, this time in CGFamily we bring epic news from Epic Games, home to many glorious titles like Fortnite, Borderlands, Gears of War and Batman series to name a few. So back to Quixel. When you open their website, let's go to quixel.com and you click on read more, you will find out that things have changed quite a bit. It will take you to a page where Teddy Bergsman, co-founder of Quixel, greets everyone and explains about these changes. Or you can also watch this announcement on Quixel's YouTube page where Teddy tells us about it himself. Let's go through each one. MEGASCAN will become free for Unreal Engine users, which means if you are using it only for Unreal Engine, you can download from their massive library of MEGASCANs for free, that too without any resolution cap. So you can download, like here, download settings. Yeah, so you can download 2K, 4K, 8K, whatever suits best for you. And they have also shared 10 high resolution packs on Unreal Engine Marketplace today, which is here. So now they have total of number of 13 and more to follow soon. The current subscribers who are using MEGASCAN with only Unreal Engine will have their subscriptions refunded. And if you have purchased something from their library without active subscription in 2019, contact them regarding your refunds. Let's move on to the next. MEGASCAN subscription prices will be slashed. So after being acquired by Epic, Quixel has lowered the prices for everyone, giving you almost twice the content to download and removing the resolution cap, regardless of the game engine or software you use. So what that means is, if you're using it with Unreal Engine only, you can enjoy the full variety of their MEGASCANs for free through the bridge or through the Unreal Engine Marketplace. But if you want to use it with, let's say, Unity 3D, Marmoset Toolbag, Arnold or any other software, you can still get the subscription at lowered prices than before without any resolution cap. Bridge and Mixer 2020 are also going to be free. Yes, no subscription required. They'll be released after a few weeks as per Quixel, and Bridge will also have a new AI search feature. Get this guys, a new AI search feature where you can put your reference images or concept art and it will find the matching asset for it. Wow, now that's epic. Mixer will also have some new features like 3D painting, smart material and many others. Well, this was the announcement that was made by Epic and Quixel. You can read more on their blogs. I'm gonna share the links down in the description. Epic Games is well known for taking good care and giving a lot to community through their live streams, mega grants, free marketplace content and much more. Last year, they made the Arcvis software Twinmotion free for their users and recently made the Autodesk Maya plugin Shave and Haircut free for its users. This time, Epic has announced to retain all of the 100+ employees of Quixel. Epic made this announcement at its Unreal Academy London event. Unreal Engine 4.24 Preview 1 is also out now guys, so make sure to check what's new in it. With that, let's wrap up this video and we'll be back with another video soon. So make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel CGFamily.